Madalas ako magluto niyan. Ayos naman yung lasa. Ginaya ko lang yan doon sa isang kasamahan ko dati. Ganyan siya magluto niyan. Ano yun, Ilocano. Ganyan siya magluto ng pagka yung pritong isda, sinasabuan niya, nilalagyan niya ng saluyot na mayroong pampaasim. Oh, that one, give it to the kids. It's enough.
No, I don't want to eat. I need only the soup
You need the soup.
because the soup has entered the body.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ngayon nga pala Lunes. Siguro itong linggo na to medyo relax kami. Dahil yung mga truck namin nasa mission lahat. At ngayon, dry season na. Kaya yung mga light vehicles namin, hindi na masyadong nasisira. Ang mga pupunta na lang dito niyan, yung mga maintenance na lang na mga minor lang. Yung mga change oil, mga ganyan na lang yan. At mamayang tanghalian, ayain ko uli si James na kumain. Sabay kaming mananghalian dun sa kwarto ko. Nagluto ako ng tilapia eh. Nilagyan ko ng saluyot at merong ano ba yun, sinigang mix. Okay naman yung lasa nun. Madalas din ako magluto nun eh. Napurnada yung kain namin ni James eh. Ang dami pa man din yung sinain ko. Ayan o. Nung makapagsaing kasi ko, saka maya-maya tumawag sa akin na ipinatatawag daw siya nung tatay niya. Kaya sabi ko, sige ka, di bale. Pero alam niya na ngayon kakain kami. Ito nga yung ulam namin eh. Oh. Ayan o. Pritong tilapia yan na nilagyan ko ng saluyot. Saluyot at merong yung sinigang mix. Okay naman yung lasa niyan. Madalas na ako magluto ng ganyan. Kaya alam ko nga na kakainin talaga ni James. Dahil yun naman, wala namang pili yun eh. At dito, meron din naman silang sampalok. Alam niya yung lasa ng sampalok at yung pritong isda, mahilig din siya dyan. Kaya alam ko, magugustuhan niya yan. Kaya nga lang, napurnada. Init ko lang yung para sa akin. Pag-init lang ako ng isang piraso at makakain na. Yung kanin naman na mamayang gabi pwede pa yan eh. Pati nga tubig, nagpalamig na ako para sa kanya yun. Ako kasi, hindi naman ako mahilig sa malamig na tubig. Ang iniinom ko lang, yun lang, yung hindi ako naglalagay sa rep. Basta gusto ko yung hindi malamig. Isang piraso na lang yung iniinit ko. Ayan, para sa akin na lang yan. Eto na tong isa. Eto na si Tangkad. James.
Yes, Bo.
What happened?
Nothing.
Why you're late? You went to your father?
Yeah, I went to my father.
Let it be there. I will watch it later.
No, Bo, I'm interested to watch this one.
Why?
Because you are a good man. If I watch here all the days, I will be eating here free. Right?
Like that?
Yeah, because I want to eat for free. I watch.
You want to eat for free, eh?
Then
You just watch.
I will just watch all the things you cook about marriage.
How is it, James? Hmm? It's good?
Very nice.
Very nice, huh?
Now I will look for your daughter. I want to marry.
I don't have daughter.
But what will I do? I will look for Philippine.
You can practice to cook like that. It's very easy. You just fry the pig, the fish.
Men are not cooking here in South Sudan. When you are cooking, they will say you are mad or you are not a man. Maybe you are ugly.
So you hide.
This one maybe you cannot compete with the South Sudanese women.
This is better
Yeah, you'll be the best.
because it's free or what?
No, not because it's free. Because we are friends. But
Because we are friends.
I'm telling the truth.
It's good, huh?
Ah, very nice. See?
I told you also bring the moringa.
Hmm?
That one is also very nice.
But you have those for making soup very nice.
No, it's because of the fish. It's because of the fish. This one I put, you know that some the taste. It's like tamarind.
You see?
It is there. I put that one.
You give me, I will go and try mine.
Nya, meron daw ibang lasa eh. Sabi ko ganito lang kako yun. It is like this. You see this one? Tamarind. You have it here, right?
But what is this?
No, not this one. This one is shrimp. Not that one.
I was about to.
Nakita niya yung hipon. Sabi ko yung ganito kako, yung sampalok.
I thought that were insects.
Insect?
This one insect.
It's not insect. This one is what do you call that one? It is in the ocean. Together with the fish. This one. This shrimp.
Yeah, I know in the water.
Mm.
But it's not good. We don't eat that one. So,
You don't eat because you don't have it here.
but it's not good the way you look.
No, it's not. That one tastes okay.
That one.
This one it tastes good. The shrimp.
You also eat?
We are eating this one. Because you don't eat because it's not here in South Sudan, right?
No problem.
Mm.
Next time.
Next time. So I think this piece is enough for you, huh? This is 1.5. That one is 1.5.
No problem.
I finish only one piece, 1.5 for you.
Yeah. That's why I love you.
Oh, because you love me because it's free, huh?
No. Here, breathing very sweet. Very
Free
sweet.
things,
You know why women like people?
Ah.
Because they are getting something free. That's why women are they like men too much. When you're giving yourself something good, maybe money, he will like you so much. My honey, my sweetheart. But he love you because of free thing you used to give her.
Really, yeah?
I know everything, man. I'm not a longer boy. I'm a very big man now. I will marry next year.
You'll marry next year?
But I want to go. I want to go to your country,
You want to go to Philippines?
Philippines, to go and date there first. If someone can accept me there. But I will make myself very ugly, more than I am now. But let's see them.
Wait, I will get your water.
Water?
Water.
Power?
You don't want to drink?
I'll drink.
So you mean you don't want to drink water now?
I want the taste to be.
To stay in your mouth? You want more rice? You can have more rice.
I know. Don't tell me. Today, no more pocket. Today, no more pocket. Cat, no more.
No more porket, huh? How about the bones of the fish? You want to eat also? You want to eat also the bones of the fish? You all like this one? You want to eat also?
You see the way I clear? I cleared them very well. You cannot even get something good there.
Oh, they will bite you.
I will kill them.
They will say, "Oh, this is the one who finished the fish." You want more rice? Dumagdag pa eh. Nagustuhan niya eh. Masarap naman kasi yun. Madalas ako magluto niyan. Ayos naman yung lasa. Ginaya ko lang yan doon sa isang kasamahan ko dati. Ganyan siya magluto niyan. Ano yun, Ilocano. Ganyan siya magluto ng pagka yung pritong isda, sinasabuan niya, nilalagyan niya ng saluyot na mayroong pampaasim. Masarap nga naman. 3 isda yung niluto ko na yan eh. Yung kalahati, inulam ko kanginang umaga. 2 kalahati yung uulam dapat namin. Isa lang yung kinain ko, sa kanya yung 1 kalahati. Better than that one in cafeteria.
That one is for business. Cannot be made very nice. So-
Now, I don't like what they are cooking now in cafeteria.
Because they are looking for more money.
Mm.
They are not treating people.
Mm.
But you are treating yourself. That's why you make it very super. Even someone who don't want to eat, but if he got smell, for me, when I feel sick, I will not stop eating.
Mm.
I continue. But other people, they don't want to eat. I'm not good. I'm not feeling well. I will not eat. Nonsense. For me, I used to eat. Sorry, boy, you're finishing your rice. Huh?
No problem.
I hope you have more rice.
I have rice.
The bag, huh? The bag?
I bought 3 kilos last Saturday. That one is enough for more than 1 week.
But
So-
if I'm here,
If you're here always, no. Maybe 3 days only. Is it cold? It's still cold, huh? I know you like cold.
I want to have a matumbo. Kasha.
Hmm?
I want to have a stomach.
Big stomach?
Mm.
Big stomach with a 6-pack?
Yeah.
Or what?
It's six-pack.
Now the tilapia is cheap, huh?
How much?
That one I bought 16,000. 16,000, 9 pieces, and all big.
Good.
You see the size?
Mm. But there,
9 pieces.
now there they are selling two
To what?
tilapia for 10K.
Where? They're
Cafeteria.
in the cafeteria. And also the way they cook the tilapia, I don't like.
They burn it.
And they are not removing the gills, inside this one. They are not removing, right?
Also, you remove.
This one I remove.
In South Sudan,
You don't remove that one,
including me.
including you when you're cleaning.
You just remove the one for inside here. Then you in the soup.
I thought you will not come.
I was in the meeting of talking.
You see, I prepared the rice so many.
Yeah, for two
It's
people.
more than enough for 2.
But now it's not enough.
It's finished, huh? Really?
If
No,
I told
no
you-
problem. I still have rice there.
If I told you, I need more rice, you go and get one. Rice is not a good food.
Why?
You cannot stay on your body. It's for all people. For us, kaunga, the plow.
Flour.
When I cook at home there, you bring one day, I will cook for you the kaunga here. Very strong.
I thought you are not cooking.
I'm cooking in my room, not in our family. But don't go and tell them. When you tell them, they will say that our son is spoiled by those Hawaiian. Today I will be very, I will be very strong. Very good food.
Bring more moringa. And then we will eat again.
You eat what?
Fish with moringa. It's very nice also.
Okay. We are going to get it now.
Now?
Now when I finish here. Okay.
So you'll be pray food again tomorrow? No, we will cook that one the next day. Not tomorrow. You want every day, ah?
But you told me that to bring it
Bring that one and then we will cook after tomorrow.
after tomorrow.
Mm.
What are you cooking tomorrow?
Mm.
You cook what tomorrow?
Maybe egg.
Egg? Egg?
Egg.
Egg with what?
Egg with onion. With basil.
That one is not good.
That one is not good. Malalaki ang isda na yan eh. This fish is big, ah. Not like the one we ate before. Malalaki ang isda na yan. At isa't kalahati yun sa kanya. Kaya madami yan. Pero mukhang uubusin. You don't want to leave some for the cats?
Yeah.
Oh, that one, give it to the cats. It's enough.
No, I don't want to eat. I need only the soup.
You need the soup.
Because the soup has entered to the body.
That one in the plate.
It's funny. This one is the soup.
Oh, there's still some for the cats, ah. They are still lucky, ah.
They're lucky cat.
Nung dumating, pabalik na ako sa workshop. Kaya sabi ko, bilisan na niya yung pagkain. At ang natatawa ko, yung mga pinagkainan niya, nung ibigay ko doon sa mga pusa, nung tingnan ng mga pusa, wala nang gana yung mga pusa eh. Para nga namang, kasi pinagsisip-sip niya pati yung mga tinik. Kaya nung ibigay ko sa pusa, mga tuyo-tuyo na yung mga tinik. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung video natin ngayon. At bago ko nga pala tapusin yung video, shoutout po muna ulit tayo. Shoutout kila Romel Ocol, Christine Dowing. Shoutout din po kaya Eden Estur at kaya Rainer Guray. At sa lahat po ng mga sumusubaybay sa channel natin. Maraming salamat po.